Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibona kule video manje mfisa ukubonga le MK Party ngokuwina Ward 18 if I'm not mistaken. Ward 18 sizongena kodwa ngaphambi basingene endabeni ye-MK Party ngifisa uqala ngibonge kuqala. Ngiyabonga kakhulu kubantu aba-subscribe-ile kule channel, ababukela indaba lezi sizixoxa lana, abakhomentayo, abalayikhayo, ngiyabonga kakhulu. I-channel manje ikhulile seyina 10,000 subscribers. Kuyi-achievement enkulu kakhulu leyo kimi ngoba ngoJanuary le channel beyina only 1,000 subscribers. Manje akapheli nane 6 months kodwa seyina 10,000. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Bengeke ifike la ekhona manje ningekho nini. Ngiswele nje ukuthi ngenze kodwa nje ukuthi ngiyabonga ngicabanga ukuthi kwanele. Ngiyabonga, ngiyazi kwesinye isikhathi iyaphambana imibono yethu kodwa njengoba ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi ukuphambana kwemibono akusho ukuthi sixabene, kusuke kusho ukuthi nje kuphambene imibono. Ngaphambi kokuthi sikhulume ngodaba le-MK Party nokuwina iward layo leyo namaphesenti wakhona, ngifisa ukuqala odabeni olukhulunywe uJulius Malema uma ekhuluma nabezindaba ngomsombuluko. Ufikile Mbalula bambuzile abezindaba ngalo, wayeseyaphawula. Ngicela uzwe la.
We have been promised here that John will become the president of the country. That is possible. Because you must not think that is empty rhetoric. They did it. Right from the inception when we lost power, the EFF voted with the DA. But the leader today is a great revolutionary, a friend of Traore, from Burkina Faso. A great revolutionary, Julius Malema. He says that he doesn't want the DA and EFF and Freedom Front Plus, but when it's convenient for him, he vote with them. And when I engaged him and he said I must go and talk that nonsense far away from him. from the onset, I said, but revolution and this ideology, DA says, go and talk that nonsense far away from me. We will vote with the DA. In doing what? To punish the ANC. And you don't ask a question. What is the beef with the ANC? That is God. We don't have a beef with the EFF. We are not at war with them. We understand them perfectly as an opposition. EFF is not an enemy. Is an opponent of the ANC.
Njengoba umuzwa kuMbax esho ukuthi lento esho uJulius Malema ubengadlali uma yethi bona bangavota ne-DA ukuze kukhishwe uRamaphosa. Kodwa uchazile uJulius wathi uRamaphosa sinenkinga engaka nje namhlanje, izwe lisenkingeni engaka kungenxa yakhe, yingakho yena engavota ne-DA ukuze kukhishwe uPresident Ramaphosa. Kodwa-ke kukhombisa ukuthi kunengxabano ende noma kune-beef ekhona between bona ne-ANC. Kodwa-ke ukuphuma kukaJulius kwi-ANC akuzange kumphathe kahle ngoba okokuqala kwawumuntu osuspended for 5 years from lapho kwa-terminate i-membership yakhe. Okusho ukuthi wayengeke asakwazi ukubuya ngazi-ke. Kusuka lapho nje akaphindanga wayithanda ki-ANC. So njengokuthi uMbalula bona i-EFF abayizondi kodwa bayithatha njenge-opponent. Kodwa-ke okuvela ku-EFF khombisa ukuthi ngathi i-EFF inenzondo yangempela ne-ANC ngoba bangenza noma yini ukuze bapunish i-ANC. Khona noma ngeke ngikusupport ukuthi siphathe uJohn Steenhuisen, kodwa nje uma kungaphuma uRamaphosa into efuna basize ngayo masiyovota kulo 2029 ukuthi skip ANC emandleni kuphatha abanye. Kodwa uJohn Steenhuisen angeke ngisho lutho kwamanje, kodwa nje beyisho lento esho uMalema. Ngiyanqana ukuyifaka ivideo yakhona la ngoba izosuka yenze le video beyinde, kanti inhloso yami futhi ukukhuluma nge-MK Party. Kodwa into ayishilo indaba isukele ekuthenini i-MK Party ithe ifaka i-vote of no confidence against uMinister we-Finance. Wayesethi uMalema cha bona bebengeke bayisupport i-MK kulokho, kodwa bangayisupport amangathiwa ifaka i-vote of no confidence against uCyril Ramaphosa. Mangathiwa nje bayifaka i-vote of no confidence ngoba bethi akuphuma uCyril Ramaphosa, lapho bangayisupporta ngempela. Futhi waze washo ukuthi uSteenhuisen uzoba upresident. Manje uMbalula utshela bezindaba ukuthi ningakuthathi kancane lokho kushiwo uJulius. Uma ngase kuthiwa kuyenzeka bangakwenza ngoba balwa ne-ANC. Noma uJulius yena maye ekhuluma ukuthi i-DA ne-FF Plus akazifuni, kodwa uma kuza kwi-ANC angamana akhethe i-FF Plus ne-DA kunokuthi asayide ne-ANC. Ngiyacela ke subscribe ku channel, like ivideo, comment. Ngiyafisa ukubona kwakho nokuphawula kwakho kulolu daba. Asingene nodaba ngele MK Party. Mayela kuhalaliselwa ke MK Party uCommander Lindani Xhakaza owine Ward 18 eMandeni. Imphumela le ephuma izolo la bekuvotwa khona kuma by election. MK Party ithole 42.25%, IFP yathola 29.70, ANC yathola 27.53, then EFF yathola 0.52%. Angazi ke ngokuyinamba ukuthi how many percent, kodwa lokuwina ku-MK yama-by election kusho ukuthi i-KZN uma izimo zingaguqukanga izobe iphethwe ama-metros azobe phethwe i-MK Party ngonyaka ozayo ngo-2026. Ngibuka indlela abawina ngayo ama-by election. Ngikhathaza nje i-EFF iyehla kuma-by election, iyehla ngempela, asazi ngoba kwenze njani, kodwa nje nabo abasuku baphakamisa amasokisi ngempela. Kanti enyangeni ezedlule uRobertsoff uke washo wathi i-MK Party i-threat kakhulu, i-threat. Ngiyacabanga ubeshiso yikho lokho, njengoba ubona nje ku-screen sakho ubhalile lo mlungu ukuthi MK win elinye iward futhi ebekwele ANC okuward 18 okwasithebe eMandeni okuyi-Ilembe district. Ubhalile kamaphesenti lawo ade siwasho nathi laphaya. Kanti ipoll leke yaphuma ike yasho ukuthi i-MK Party izokhuphuka kule ndawo ngo-48%. So kodwa ngiyakhombisa ukuthi impela i-MK Party kukhona shuthe kwenza kahle nabantu futhi bayethemba. Manje bathi i-MK Party seyiwina amaward amabili, shuthe inamakhansela amabili lapha kuyiLembe district. Bewina nje kuma-by election bebathatha baqale bawina kwaDukuza emavikeni adlule njengoba sebewina manje. Kukhona kokwenziwa i-MK Party okwenza ukuthi abantu bayethemba. Sengathi ke ingadeliver kulokho abantu abayethembe ngakho, ngoba abantu bafed up manje i-ANC. Abantu kufika isikhathi la bakhathala khona i-ANC. Ilokhu nje bengithi ngikulethele khona mayelana nendaba zalama by election. Siyazi ukuthi izolo kube khona into eziningi la ababambe khona umshini lo wokuvotisa bawuthatha emzini abantu, kodwa ngenxa yesikhathi angizukuyifaka leyo video la, kodwa ngoba egcineni kosuku i-MK Party igciniwa winile lo khetho. Kube mhlambe abayibambanga leyo mshini leyo busulanda emzini abantu, ngabe sikhuluma okunye, kodwa ke asiyibongele ngoba iwinile manje. Asiyibongele ke ngokuwina le ward. Mina nawe asidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ungasupporta ke kule channel ngokuklikka ujoin ula on your bottom right la phansi nje, ungaklikka ujoin lapho uqala nje ku-R40 ngenyanga ukuya phezulu, okanye ungasidonatela ngalokho ongaba nakho. Akukhathalekile ukuthi imali ukulekelela i-channel. Kune-account la kwi-comment ephiniwe la ungasidonatela khona. Mina nawe asidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.